distributor right, you know what I'd be doing right now? Smoking right now, boy, if my distributor was right. Well, I'm gonna work on that tomorrow. I just gotta change 2 parts in it, and I think it'll be all right. I think, I'm not sure. Rod, I'm doing 40. Rod, you saw I wasn't doing nothing. Man, I can take that. He's getting taken right now. Now I see. I just wanted to see, you know what I mean? I just wanted to see first. And I ain't even hit it hard. I was at 3,500 all the way. And I ain't even hit it hard, Rod.